Hey guys, it's me Tara. And the other day I was thinking, what if this whole YouTube thing never works out? I'm gonna need a real job. Not that YouTube's not a real job, but like, what if the internet shuts down one day? I think I'm gonna start a series on my channel where I try out a bunch of careers and see how it goes, cause like, I'm a mess, so it'll be funny. You guys wanna guess where I am today? Home Depot, baby. Today I have the opportunity to work in construction and I'm going to take it. But first I have to buy stuff like safety goggles and an orange vest for some reason and a hard hat so my head doesn't get crushed. And I actually can't wait to take you guys along this journey because LA right now is 94 degrees.
So at this point in time, I had been walking around Home Depot for like 30 minutes and whoever I asked for help would either give me the incorrect directions or would giggle at me for holding a camera or I don't know, being my height and my age and my gender. So I ended up calling my dad to come help me because I literally couldn't find anything and no one was helping me and I was very, very frustrated and my dad probably knew where everything was and he probably thought I was insane, but I literally could not find anything in Home Depot and I was very upset about it. Unfortunately, the second my dad came, I had found everything, not on my own, but with the guy who helped me make my extra home key. He was nice enough to show me where everything was. But yay, I finally did it. I found everything.
Vest? Check. Hard hat? Check.
Why do you look like a big zit? Look at yourself in the mirror. You look like a cheese puff.
Okay, now hard hat, check. Safety goggles, check. So today I'm gonna be working on a construction site. Can't say I'm too excited for the heat, but everyone else is doing it. I hope I get to drive one of those thingies.
Forklift?
Sure. Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
Spoon lift. Do you want to show the construction site? Jake.
What?
We're gonna get copyrighted. You're too good. I don't want to do this. I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. I feel like people are gonna laugh at me again because a lot of people were laughing at me in Home Depot and that's just like shopping.
If they laugh at you, we're gonna expose them and put them on camera.
I don't want to do this.
Wait, what's your construction worker name?
Larry.
Larry?
I just want it to be Larry, okay? Construction Larry.
Alright. Do the construction Larry pose.
Oh no, it's actually a dance.
Alright.
It's to the beeps. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's over now. Come on. For safety reasons, Jake also needs to be wearing a vest. What's your construction name?
Construction.
Construction?
Yeah, my name's Sean. And my full name's Construction. Hey, you gotta use the porta potty.
No, I'm not using the porta potty. I just tripped! I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. It's loud in here! I feel like Sam and Colby. I feel like I'm exploring. This must be the elevator, or a really long place to fall off of. I'm holding wood. I'm scared, I'm scared. I hated that. I have splinters everywhere. I don't want things to go in my hand.
Okay. One more time?
No, not one more time. I don't like this. By the way, you guys, I'm not talking to some random person like this. This is my dad. He just doesn't want to be on camera. I'm doing it! I did it.
Very nice.
I did it. I did it. I did it. I cut the wood. My nails are not cut out for this. No. No, no, no. No. My hair is getting sweaty under here. Look at this. Hat hair. Hard hat hair. I'm so sweaty.
Such a masculine woman.
Don't be sexist. A woman can do this stuff. I just can't. I'm too girly for this.
Guys, be careful.
I am careful.
Very dangerous.
Very dangerous. Danger is my last name.
Okay.
No, it's not. Isn't your last name Yummy?
Push it.
Nope. I'm okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You know, I do my nails, not these. These are a different kind of nail.
Have you ever hit in a nail before?
Yeah, when I bump my finger, that's hitting a nail. I'm putting a nail in here.
Doing good.
Thanks.
Come on, Tara. No, you're making it bend upwards.
Okay, so I could just put it in that way.
That was Tara.
I had a lot of anger in me. That was me. I totally just did this nail. Look. Yep, that was not someone else. That was me. I asked them if they need my help. They said no. And no help. So I'm not much help apparently. So they just told me to carry this wooden plank down for them.
Hey, that's a big responsibility, Tara.
Really?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
These stairs are kind of scary.
More like starey.
I can see my house from here. Oh, sorry. I keep getting in people's way. I'm not cut out for this.
Come on, Larry. You got this.
Ew!
Just go eat, that's it.
There's gunk on it.
Yeah. It's hard to put in it. You must put in a bit water later.
Right now, I'm about to lift a bunch of wood to go up on like a forklift thingy, and I've had some practice, but not really. I've actually never done it, and I'm lying, so I'm about to do that right now, so you guys can come watch me. I have to start it first.
Okay.
No gas. This one? Just start. Got it. Okay, now what? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. So heavy. This thing is so heavy.
Other way.
What do you mean other way? Which way? Down?
Okay.
This goes above it? No, no. I'm scared.
Why?
What if I die? There's no seatbelt.
Where are you bringing that?
I don't know. No one's telling me to stop. Fun, I did it.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be doing construction, Tara?
I'm hiding. They can't find me right now.
Donna! Get your ass down here!
Oh my god, they found me. I have to go hide. I'm not doing this. Oh my god, they're still yelling my name. I don't know where to go. Tara's not here right now. Leave a message. I got them. I got them. I don't think they know where I am now. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh my god, look at my hair, you guys. I'm sweating so much.
How you feeling?
Hot. I give props to anyone who does this actually.
What are you doing?
I'm cooling off my neck.
Weirdo.
Alright, it's the next day, and honestly, you guys, that was the most tiring experiences of my life. I am not even joking when I say that I was literally too tired to film an outro yesterday. I know I was only there for a little bit, but I give mad props to anyone who does anything in like construction or like physical activity, because that was a lot for me. I just want to thank my dad really quickly for giving me the opportunity. He runs a business that has to do with construction, and so he got me in to the site. I think the hardest part of all this was driving that thingy. It was so heavy, and every time I'd press the brakes, the whole thing would just like move another foot before it stopped. I thought I was gonna crash. That would have been my first accident, knock on wood. Like I said before, let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. I would love to do a series of me trying new jobs. I had so much fun doing this. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on my post notifications if you guys would like. All right, you guys, time to skedaddle. Bye.